All right, let's dive into Tony Lafreniere's book, How to Crush Your Competition Organically with Digital Marketing and AI. First things first, Tony emphasizes the importance of understanding your audience. AI can help you do this more efficiently than ever. With tools like machine learning, you can analyze consumer behavior and predict future trends to tailor your marketing efforts, just as Tony outlines. Imagine being able to anticipate what your customers want before they even know it themselves. That's the power of AI, a key point in Tony's book. Next, Tony talks about content creation. AI can help you generate high-quality content at scale. Tools like automated content generators can produce blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts tailored to your audience's preferences, as Tony explains. But it's not just about creating content, it's also about distributing it effectively. AI-driven platforms can help you optimize your content distribution, ensuring that your message reaches the right people at the right time, a strategy Tony highly recommends. This means leveraging AI algorithms to determine the best times to post on social media, the ideal frequency of your emails, and even the type of content that will perform best on different platforms. Now, let's dive into customer engagement. Chatbots powered by AI can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and freeing up your team to focus on more complex tasks, a tactic Tony discusses in detail. These bots can also gather valuable data on customer preferences and behavior, which can be used to further refine your marketing strategies. Don't forget about personalization. AI can help you segment your audience more granularly, allowing you to deliver highly personalized experiences, a crucial point in Tony's book. From personalized email campaigns to customized website experiences, personalization can significantly boost your conversion rates. Finally, let's talk about analytics. AI can help you make sense of the vast amounts of data generated by your marketing efforts. By using AI-powered analytics tools, you can gain deeper insights into what's working and what's not, enabling you to make data-driven decisions and continuously optimize your strategies, as Tony advises. So, if you're looking to crush your competition and dominate your market, leveraging AI and digital strategies is no longer optional. It's essential, as Tony Lafreniere's book makes clear. Start integrating these technologies into your marketing efforts today and watch your business soar. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.